guys, so today I'm going to show you how I create butterfly locks using BOBBI Boss's new locks and new twist. For the butterfly locks, I'm going to be wrapping the new locks with the Brazilian new twist, and I have it in colors 1B and number 4. So here are the gorgeous crochet new locks, and I also have it in the color 1B, and these are 24 inches. They are super soft and super fluid. I just love how soft and movable they are. Look at those ends. So I'll be using a C-stand to hold the crochet. If you have any stand or any pole that's similar to this, go ahead and use that. And so with the butterfly locks, I'm doing the thumb method. So you wrap as if you would do a faux lock, and then you would take a little piece and wrap it around your thumb. And you want to do that consistently down the lock. So wrap, take a little piece around your thumb, and continue to wrap all the way till you get to the bottom. What I love about the Brazilian new twist is the sheen and the texture. It gives it a very authentic feel. So once I get done with the butterfly locks and install them, they'll look like real locks. And as you can see, I took the number 4 and added at the bottom. I wanted to go for an ombre effect so you can see how I intertwine both colors. Now to seal the lock, you want to wrap all the way down till you get to the bottom. And what I like to do is take a little bit of the crochet lock and fold it upward and take the remaining hair and wrap the opposite way. Off camera, I made about 35 butterfly locks and installed all of them. For my perimeter, I did individual butterfly locks, and I'll show you how I do that. Grab your edge control to smooth the base. Part out 2 sections. Now for this size, you want to make sure you pay close attention to the base and the braid ratio. You don't want to put too much hair on a small base, so that's why my parts are a little bit bigger. So I will be crocheting the new twist onto this section. That's why I'm braiding the base, and I braided about 2 inches down, and then for the rest of the hair, I'll just twist it. It's important that the base is kind of tight, so once the crochet is attached, it doesn't move around or come off. So now I'm going to take the crochet new lock and crochet it on to the base of my braid. Now I will begin wrapping the new twist around the new lock in my hair. Now it's time to model a little bit and shake our new hair. I love it because it's super lightweight and they just look so real. They look like real locks. Look at that.